Welcome friends, I am going to show you the latest Pixel weather application which can be used to track all your weather related information. Pixel weather is an official forecast application of Google Pixel device. Today I will show you how can you use this application in your Android device. Before get started, the latest Pixel weather application is available only for specific Android versions, I mean Android 13 or later versions. First of all, you have to download the following file from APK Mirror. I have attached the link in description so you can download it from there. After that, you have to install APK Mirror installer from Play Store application. Just open the app and allow necessary permission like unknown source etc. and locate the file you downloaded from APK Mirror. Now tap on the install button. This will install Pixel weather application on your Android device. You can add multiple cities of different countries and keep track of weather along with current location, which is obvious. Enjoy material, new user interface and latest icon packs comes with new interface and with updated and optimized widgets. You can get the detailed view by clicking a special widget on particular widget. You can also use some of its widgets from home screen of your Android device. The widgets are somehow resizable and adjustable for smaller space. So here is the final view of Pixel weather application which can be used to track weather information of your Android device. Now I am going to upload more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next.